Let's talk about something that's on everybody's mind now, and that is how do you actually make money using AI. This video will show you exactly that, but not some bullshit click the button and generate 5,000 faceless automated videos and make $1 million in 90 days kind of way, but a real way how to do research for your digital products. The best way to make money online today, in my humble opinion, because I do it and it's working, is by creating digital products around a problem that you can solve. And believe me, even if you're thinking, I cannot solve any problems or I don't know anything, you do. After 40 years of your life, you have a lot of things that you already solved and have the skills and experience in solving. So you just need to find problems that people are willing to pay for to be solved. And that's it. And in today's video, I will show you how to use AI to do some research. This is the mindset shift that changed my life. People pay for solutions. They do, and they pay a lot of money. Let me show you how. If you had a job or a business or anything, a sport, you already know much more than an average person. So you can use ChatGPT, and I will now show you what prompt to use. And all the prompts and resources will be in the description below. And to research your experience and give you ideas about the problems people might be having around. In this case, we will do the job. So, as you can see on my screen, what are the common problems in the job of insert your job that I could build simple digital products around and people would actually pay for. So let's do an example of a maths teacher. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us for this problem. As you can see, it does a really good overview of everything. Like the first thing is pain. If you know the pain point, and in this case, teachers spend hours every week preparing worksheets, quizzes, warm-ups, and activities, then you get the product ideas around that pain point. You get the idea. So if you have a pain point and a problem that is probably some other people have these same problems. But as you are an experienced math teacher, you know how to solve this problem. You already have worksheet packs or printable math centers for elementary teachers, or in the other things like a math metaphor cards, like teaching algebra using real life comparisons. How cool is that? I think people would buy that for $7. So do you get the idea around this? Okay, here's another ideal prompt. As you can see on my screen, what annoying or repetitive things do I do as a math teacher, your job? That could be automated, templatized, or explained once and sold as a product. Let's see what he says on that. Great angles, long call. Okay, of course it's a great angle. So you can see the product idea is creating practice worksheets from scratch every week. This is the pain point, something that you do every week, and it's templatizing. Sell editable worksheet templates for Google Docs, Slides, or Canva. Make bundles by topic or grade level and similar. Why would they buy? Because it saves time. People, when they see that something is saving them time, they will give you money for it. So this is what you need to do. Let's see another example. Typing out equations or formatting math in Google Docs. Yeah, I understand. The equation editor is clunky. Because how to automate it? You can build a copy-paste equation library using latex, Google-friendly formats, include ready-to-use text plus visuals for common topics, and so on. So we got like eight ideas here. And as you can see, ChatGPT is already asking you to help you turn one of these into a 9 to 27 ready-to-sell product ideas. Or should I draft? Let's see what will they do if you say, give me product ideas. So you can now talk around it and you will get this product idea. Now maybe you're watching, okay, I have a product, well, how to sell it, where to sell it, what to do with the product. I created my 90 days of bell ringers Google Slides, and I want to sell it from 12 to 27. I think this is 90 days. It's like $27. I got a solution for that as well. I want to show you something I found for an insane price. It's called AI Freedom Launchpad, and it is a completely AI system that helps you build something like this, where you can sell it, or you can sell that system as well. That's the other thing. What will you get? A step-by-step training on how to use ChatGPT, DALL-E, or other AI systems to create what you saw here as idea, research, create the product, and where to sell it and how to sell it. It has done for you funnels. Funnels is like a set of web pages where you go from, you leave an email here, buy the product here, then you have maybe an upsell to the 90 days of bell ringers. You can have like other things you can upsell people to. You can sell this product I am talking about with 100% resell rights. So they say that you can set up everything in 48 hours. So like you don't do that for like 3 months. And as a bonus, they give you a 15 plus income streams baked into your system. You don't need to create anything. You can plug in the system, start earning, and learn as you go. Right now, this system is probably worth $997, but they are selling it for $97. This is a brand new system. That's why the price is so low, but I'm telling you, they will raise the price soon, so hurry up. You get this in the description. Most AI tools or courses are charging that monthly, so this is really a bargain. I wish I had this when I started, because I learned everything from scratch, and this is like a full product. You just click, 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 and done. So here is the deal. If you want to do this alone, start with the prompts I gave you in the description and do your research, create your product, then find a way to sell that on Stanstore or Gumroad or System.io. There are a lot of tools. You will pay those tools like System.io probably $56 a month. But if you want to skip all that manual work and start selling right now, you can buy this for $97 and get ready and have everything ready in 48 hours. If this video was helpful, please click that like button and subscribe. And remember, I do this for free. So maybe some of the links in the description are affiliate links. It doesn't cost you more, but make me some money so I can do this for free. And check this video out to see why I quit all this corporate bullshit with 50 years old.